Piggy. 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 What? Sorry. I was just wondering if you were alive. As in awake. I learned that from my farmer Grovins.
Grovins? Grovins? Who's Farmer Grovins?
My farmer. You want to see him? You want to see him? You want to see him?
Hate to break it to you, cow, but we're animals. He's a human.
Whoa, what was that?
I don't know.
But you cannot show me Farmer Grove. He is a human. We are animals who talk. Can you excuse me for a second, Piggy?